Okay. Okay. Now, is this better when I zoom in? Okay. So this is number one. This is actually like typical past paper. So the park ranger draws 3 straight lines to form an incomplete Voronoi diagram. Calculate the line segment AE. Okay, AE. Now, we need a little bit approximation. What I'm trying to say that is, I think this is like the center of them. So I could say that the coordinate of A is around 3,1. Do you agree with me? 3,1 here. Okay, 3,1, yeah. So, okay. The first of all is that I need to use simple technology here. So, this one. Okay. Done. And then I can go to here. Okay. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, here. Now, because the question is asking the gradient EE, so AE, so A is around, A is 3,1. Agree, yeah? And E is about 7,3. Okay, 7,3. Therefore, if A is equal to 3,1 and then E is equal to 7,3, therefore the gradient of MAE is equal to delta Y over delta X. Okay, I assume this one as X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. So therefore is equal to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So this is the first step. This is the second step. The gradient AE is equal to Y2 minus Y1 is 3 minus 1 over 7 minus 3. So this is equal to 2 over 4. So a half. Positive a half. So it makes sense that if we draw a line, so if we draw a line here, like insert here, AE. No, that's not line. Here. Okay, here, better. Why cannot? Okay. So line AE or the gradient of AE is more or less like that. Okay, so it's not, let's say, right, no. Here. Here, okay, you get it? That's actually the gradient, so a half. So basically, A clear. Is it clear? Okay. Find the equation of the line which would complete the Voronoi cell containing site E. Okay. Now, as you can see, site E, yeah, it means that E has to have relationship 4. E to A, E to B, E to C, and E to D. So, for example, we need to find the relationship. So, E to A, E to B, E to C, and E to D. Now, from this one, okay, from this one, we already see that here, this is actually the perpendicular bisector of EC. So, EC is already being given. Clear, yeah? EC is actually this one. Now, ED also already given here. So, ED already done. How about EA? Not yet. How about EB? EB. EB already, so only EA. So our job is to find the M perpendicular bisector of AE, which is equal to -1 over MAE, which is equal to -1 over a half, -2. Okay, -2. So equal to what? -2 equal to, okay, and then after that, the equation of line. The equation of line is line perpendicular bisector of AE is equal to y minus ym is equal to M perpendicular bisector AE x minus xm. Now the problem is that we need to calculate what's the xm or the midpoints of AE. So the midpoints is equal to here x1 plus y1, x1 plus x2, 3 plus 7 over 2, comma 1 plus 3 over 2. So 10 over 2 is equal to 5, 2. So this is the xm, ym. So the equation of line is equal to y minus ym2 is equal to the gradient mpbae minus 2 x minus 5. So the equation of line is equal to y minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 10. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 10 plus 2. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 12. This is the equation of line, which is the answer for B. Clear?
I think for B, the question told us to write it in the journal form or something.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, sorry. So becoming 2x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Yeah, this is the answer. Thank you, Angel, for the reminder and clarification. Okay, now the last one. In the context of the question, explain the significance of the Voronoi cell containing site E. Yeah, it means that E is to compare to the other region, or this is actually equidistant to all areas. Basically, that's the idea, equidistance. Okay, it means that in the context of the question, the significance of site E is it is the closest to the other regions. Yeah, so it means that if you want to go to D, it's the closest from E. To C, it's closest from E. To B, it's closest from E. To A, it's closest from E. Something like that. That's the significance. If I want to draw, where is this? This one here, we can insert the picture that here, if this is AE, and the XMYM is equal to, is actually around, where is it? 5,2, 5,2, 5,2 here. Then I could say that the line is more or less like this. And then if we want to highlight, then here. Yeah, this is E. Okay, this is E. How about C? Okay, assume C is actually using the green. Now, how do we know C? C compared to D, it's actually this area. Okay, compared to E, this is the area. Compared to B, oh, this is not being done yet, CB. Okay. Now we need to give more. But E for sure is in the yellow. Okay. Clear? Now we can move to number 2. Okay, an internet weather website uses readings taken at 3 different stations. A visitor to the website will be told that the temperature of the station nearest to their location. The weather stations are at the points with coordinates 11, 31, 35. Use the incremental algorithm to construct a Voronoi diagram showing the regions that will be assigned to each of the weather stations. Okay. This one done, yeah? Okay, now Control M. Here, we draw, insert here. No? Okay, why with highlighter, yeah? Black here. Okay. And then after that, what we should do here? 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the first point is 1, 1. So 1, 1 is actually here. And then B, 3, 1. 3, 1 here. And then 3, 5, C, 3, 5. Okay, so this is A, B, C. So A is equal to 1, 1. B is equal to 3, 1. And C is equal to 3, 5. Okay. Now, the idea of question A is basically asking us to know the equation of the perpendicular bisector so that in the end that we will be able to draw the region. Okay, the region. So, for example, we need to know what's actually the gradient of A. So there are relationship here. First one is AB, AC, and then BA, BC, and CA, and CB. Now, as you can see, as I said to you, AB is equal to BA. So it's basically the same thing. So we don't need to calculate this one. And then AC is equal to CA. Again, we don't need to calculate CA. And then what else? BC is equal to CB. So they are equal. So we don't need to calculate CB. So basically, we just need these three, AB, AC, and BC. Okay. Now, AB. A is equal to, again, 1, 1, comma, wait, where is it? B is 3, 1. And then okay, and then after that, we have to find the XM, the midpoint, and what the midpoints. So M is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2, comma 1 plus 1 over 2. So the midpoints is equal to 2, 1. So here the 2, 1 here. Here. Okay, basically we already know if we have this kind of question, we don't need to calculate the idea of the equation of line. So like I said, this is clearly that the perpendicular bisector is at x is equal to 2. Okay, so here x is equal to 2. Okay, so we already get for the first. Okay, the same thing with BC. BC, as you can see here, this is clear. It is at y is equal to 3. Okay, but we need to find the midpoint. No need juga, no need. So BC is the equation of line is y is equal to 3. Okay, and then the last one. This one we need the tedious calculation. AC. So AC, A is 1, 1, and C is 3,5. Therefore, the midpoint 1 plus 3 over 2, 1 plus 5 over 2. So equal to 2, 3. So this is the XM, YM. And then after that, we need to find the perpendicular, the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in our context, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay, and then your y2 is equal to 5 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So about 4 over 2, so equal to 2. Therefore, the gradient of perpendicular bisector of AC is equal to minus 1 over MAC. Minus 1 over 2 or minus a half. Therefore, the equation of line, the equation of line is equal to y minus ym is equal to m perpendicular bisector, the gradient of perpendicular bisector of AC, x minus xm. So y minus ym is 3 is equal to minus a half x minus 2. So we have y minus 3 is equal to minus a half x plus 1. So y equal to minus a half x plus 1 plus 3. So y is equal to minus a half x plus 4. Okay. Okay, if the midpoint is around, the midpoint is 2, 3. 2, 3, which is exactly here. So we can say that it will be more or less this one here. Okay, we need to draw. Insert draw. Therefore, the gradient, the perpendicular bisector, it will be like this one. Yeah. Okay. Now, how did you determine the Voronoi diagram? Okay. Now we know there is the region A, B, and C that needs to be considered. Okay. Now, for A to C, it's here. So we can say that A, the area is red. Okay, you using the highlighter, using red. Okay. Again, we need to take care about the idea of equidistance. Okay, here, this is one. Now the problem is that do we continue or we go here? If we go continue, it will not become equidistant. So the area must be here. Okay, this is the region for A. Okay. Where is it? This is A. B, C. Okay, what about B? B compared to A is okay. B compared to C is this one. So therefore, B should be, this is B. And then what about C? C is the green. Okay, here. Yeah. Clear? Question? Agnes, Sua? Okay. How about you, Vin? Aurelia? Yeah. Okay. Using a write down the temperature that would. Okay. At the particular point time, a visitor to the website is at point 1,4. And the readings at the different stations are A 22, B 24, and C 21 degrees Celsius. Yeah. 1,4 in which region? 1,4. This is the problem here. I think 1,4 is exactly here. It's like in the boundary or in the edge between A and C. Okay, now is it true? So this is how you know whether it's actually true or not. Now, this is actually the perpendicular bisector of AC, right? The edge is actually the equation of line or the edge of AC. So we need to use this equation that y is equal to minus a half x plus 4. In other words, y plus a half x is equal to 4. Now, the question is that, is it the coordinate 1, 4 exactly in the points on the edge? Now, we can actually testing it. So, here 4, y? 4 plus a half times 1 is equal to 4. Is it like that? 4 plus a half is equal to 4, 4.5. No. So it means that 1,4 is not exactly on the edge. Okay, wait. Here, is it in the 1, 4, 1, 4? Wow, this is critical. I think it's in the region of C. Now, this is the problem. Do you understand my problem, my struggle here? Do you get the idea here? Basically, the question is asking, is it the 0.14? Is it in the region A, cell C, or cell B? If it is in the cell A, therefore we can say that the temperature of this guy, this visitor, is 22 degrees Celsius. If it is at C, if 1,4 in the cell C, therefore the visitor will experience the temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. That's the idea. Now, how do you make sure that? You can use Desmos here. So, where's Desmos here? Desmos. Now, what I mean by Desmos is that we actually can use it to clarify, to making sure that my assumption, I think according to me, my assumption it is in C. So the answer that the temperature is at 21 degrees Celsius. But I could be wrong. So we can we actually can make sure it by using this. So y is equal to 3, the first one. X is equal to 2, right? X is equal to, y is equal to 3, and then y is equal to minus a half x plus 4. Minus a half x plus 4. 1,4. 1,4. Okay, you see clearly here that 1,4 is actually in the region C. 1,4 here. So it means that it is in the cell C. So the answer for the question for B is 21 degrees Celsius. So is my reasoning clear here? Minsol, okay. I think number 3 is just the same thing like number 2. There is a missing edge in this Voronoi diagram. Complete the Voronoi diagram and find the equation of the missing edge. Okay, as you can see here, there are 4 points. There is AB. Okay, so I write down here. AB, AC, AD. AB, AC, AD. Now, AB already, there is the perpendicular bisector or the edge of the perpendicular bisector of AB. There's the edge. So we don't need. AC, this is, I think, what we are looking for. And AD is also done. So the missing one is actually AC. Okay. Nah. Okay, so we need to find The AC. AC, is it time? No, yeah, not yet, right. Okay, AC. Here A, the coordinate is -4, -3. -4, -3. And C is 2, 3. Okay. So the midpoint is equal to -4 plus 2, comma -3 plus 3 over 2. So is equal to -2 over 2 -1, 0. That's the midpoint. -1, 0. Okay, here. Here. Okay. So, and then after that, we find the gradient. So y2 minus y1, 3 minus -3 over 2 minus -4. So 6 over 6, 1. So the perpendicular of bisector of AC is equal to -1 over M AC. -1 over 1 is equal to -1. Therefore, the equation of the H is equal to y minus ym M PBAC X minus XM. Okay. So, okay, guys, I want to give you the info ahead. So next week, this Friday, we are going to do exam for Voronoi and also the remedial for the, what do you call it? Yeah, for the diagram and also the probability. I'll give you either Monday, I will give you the result of the, what do you call it? The probability. And then you have the time about 4 days to prepare. And then, yeah, both Voronoi and the probability. Yeah, so my plan is that I combine. Oh, no. Voronoi for Friday and the next Monday, probability remedial. What is it? I think Voronoi is quite complex, so I don't give you more than that for now. Huh? I'll give you everything so you will know whether it's bad or not Monday. What? Okay, my standard is this. If you are allowed to do remedial if you actually your score below 90.
And then you will take the higher one?
Of course. 90 out of 100, yeah, not the IB standard. Like the IB standard, if I'm not mistaken, if you get 70 above, you already in band 7. Okay. So I'm not stingy in terms of score. You're allowed to get as much as you want. Okay. So y minus here, the xm is actually 0 is equal to MPBAC minus 1 x minus xm minus 1. So y is equal to minus x. No. Minus 1 x plus 1 first, and then y is equal to minus x minus 1. Okay, this is actually the idea. This is the missing H. This is the answer. Done. But there's no... If we want to know the diagram, we have to find the individual equation of the H of all. You get it? But since the question is only asking the complete Voronoi diagram and find the equation of the missing H. Okay, if it is complete means that, oh, this is already, so this is A, this is B. So, okay, now, okay, I make it bigger. And then again, do simple cropping. And then go here. Okay. And then this equation y is equal to minus x plus 1 is basically around, okay, so AC is this. This is AC, the gradient AC. And the line is here, the midpoint is here. Yeah. Therefore, the perpendicular bisector or the edge for that one is equal to, it's actually here. Ya around here lah. Okay. So this one is no. Therefore, we can draw. Okay, we can draw highlighter. So A is green. A to B, this one. A to C, this one. Okay. And then A to D, this one. So A is basically here, A, B. Yeah, this one. Okay, this is A, cell A. Okay, B. B to C. B to C. Wait, before B to C. Oh, an equation of the missing edge. AB, AC, AD, DC, DB, DA. Oh, everything done. Okay. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So D is this. This is D. Now, do you understand like the reason behind why I actually draw this region, something like that? Because on Friday, you have to be able to do this. Guys, now my question to you, do you have this one or not? If you don't have this one, then during the test, you need to have that paper, the block paper, millimeter block paper, and colorful pencil. But if you do have this one, then you can do what like I'm doing now. Okay, now what about region B? Region B, BA, BC, BC. Oh, BC not yet. BC not yet. BD. Okay, guys, here, this is the problem. So BC should be found first if we want truly find the accurate diagram. Do you understand like what I'm trying to say? Okay, now BC, the coordinate is minus 3,1, and C is 2,3. Okay, is there anything I did wrong here? You can actually point out. It's okay. I'm open-minded as long as it is constructive. Minus a half, comma, 2. So MBC is equal to Y2 minus Y1, 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 minus 3. 2 over 5. So 0.4. So MBC is equal to, no, M perpendicular BC minus 1 over 2 over 5. So basically becoming minus 5 over 2 or minus 2.5. Okay, therefore the equation of line y minus ym, y minus 2 minus 5 over 2, x minus a half, minus a half become x plus a half. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 over 2x minus 5 over 4. So y is equal to minus 2.5x minus 1.25 plus 2. So y is equal to minus 2.5x plus 0.75. The midpoint is in the minus a half and 2. Minus a half and 2 here. So if we want to draw, insert, okay, here. Yeah. Oh iya. Okay. Sorry. You're correct. So you're correct. You're exactly correct. See, sometimes, yeah, equation. Oh my God. Thank you so much. So here becoming minus 2, yeah. Minus 2. Here. So this is the problem, guys. So be careful about so this becoming 0,2. 0,2. So but even if we don't okay, 0,2. 0,2. Okay. If that's the case, then okay, this is the idea. And then insert it with also, okay, here around. Okay. Now we can draw. We can draw. Okay, now insert, draw using the highlighter. Now yellow. B2A, this is okay. Okay, this is good, yeah. B2D, this area, good. And now B2C, then you need to follow this. So this is the area or the cell for B. Beautiful. Now I'm like doing grade 5 art. Okay, and then the rest here, of course. Okay, on the first week of December, we need to start thinking about IA, guys. We need to start thinking. We will discuss about IA in Math AI. Okay. Voronoi diagram is one of the hot topics for IA. So you may take into consideration. Although the ones that I actually teach you about the scatter plot, that's also part of it. But there's another one, chi-square test. Okay? Question? So time ya? Okay. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you. Enjoy your weekend. Oh, now record ya. Already ya. Stop ya. So end.